Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you step by step how to properly and safely clean the headphone jack on a Samsung Galaxy A8 mobile smartphone. We start by turning off the phone. The phone must be turned off during cleaning, it should never be on. This is the most important thing, make sure to turn off your phone as you know how. Next you will need a round brush like this. You will also need isopropyl alcohol, one that is 100% pure, so that it simply evaporates after the procedure. You can buy all these items in a kit like this on Allegro or Amazon, and once you have the set, we can start cleaning. So we moisten the brush with alcohol, making sure it's nice and wet. After wetting it, we take the phone in our hand. Here we have the jack socket. So what we need to do is simply insert the cleaning brush all the way in here, and then carefully twist it 5 full times to the right, and another 5 full times to the left, before you slowly pull it back out again. We insert it again. Carefully twist the object exactly 5 full rotations to the right, and 5 full rotations to the left, then gently pull it back out once more. And one more time. You should repeat this entire cleaning process approximately 5 or 6 times, so that the socket is thoroughly and completely clean, looking just like new. If there's nothing in there, it's just that something fell into the socket and is simply blocking it. Then after cleaning like this, everything will work perfectly and function without the slightest problem. Once you have finished the procedure, carefully set the phone aside on the table and wait for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After those 10 or 15 minutes have passed, you can begin to use the phone normally again. That is all the information we have for today's session. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.